Breast milk production is natural for nursing mothers. However, some women do struggle to produce enough breast milk to feed their little ones. There can be several causes for this, including insufficient glandular tissue, endocrine problems, a prior breast surgery, birth control, medications, anatomical issues, and more. The good news is that you can naturally increase breast milk production without taking harsh medications. For those who have been introduced to goat's rue, you will want to know what goat's rue is and where it comes from. Goat's rue is a plant that grows in the Middle East and Europe. It is bright green in color and grows to 4 feet in height. It was given the name goat's rue because of the bad smell that comes from the bruised leaves. In medieval Europe, the herb was used to treat victims of the plague. It has also been used as a vermifuge for the treatment of parasitic worms. In North America, it was viewed as an aphrodisiac, a healthy tonic, and a cure for impotence by natural healers. Historically, it was used to treat low blood sugar and tuberculosis. It is also known for its ability to produce more breast milk in women. It was discovered as a breast-boosting agent in Europe when it was found to promote milk production in goats and cows. In the 1800s, the plant was transported to America as a food source for livestock. Goat's rue comes from the same family as fenugreek. In fact, some have reported it to be even more potent than fenugreek. If you are unfamiliar with goat's rue, you will want to know what the usages and benefits of the product are. Goat's rue has been used as a water pill to assist in the excretion of excess water in the body through urine. Studies show that goat's rue has antibacterial properties. Goat's rue contains galactagogue, which might help to reduce blood sugar levels in diabetics. Goat's rue has the ability to increase breast tissue and therefore boost the production of breast milk. Goat's rue is used to stimulate the pancreas and the adrenal gland. Goat's rue is also used for liver health and can be used to treat digestive problems, rheumatism, fever, bladder problems, hard coughs, and problems with menstruation. Goat's rue is a natural remedy. Therefore, it does not have the same FDA approval and backing as traditional pharmaceuticals. The healthcare industry does not advocate natural remedies for many reasons, one of which is they are unable to reach the same profit margins with a natural product as they can with patented chemicals. There is limited funding for scientific studies on goat's rue. However, no harmful effects have been reported in humans, and it is less likely to cause damage to the body than harmful pharmaceutical chemicals. Talk with your doctor before taking goat's rue, especially if you have diabetes or other health conditions. Adults should take 1 to 2 capsules of goat's rue 4 times per day with meals. You may also consume goat's rue as a tea. Combine 1 teaspoon of dried goat's rue with 1 cup of water and steep for 10 minutes. You may drink 1 cup 3 times a day. For additional benefits, you may combine it with other breastfeeding herbs such as fennel, blessed thistle, and alfalfa. Make sure you purchase all of your supplements from a reputable manufacturer. You can purchase goat's rue from our website down below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.